Hi everyone, welcome to Crystal Flare. I'm Emily. Today we're taking a break from our spider theme. You can check out the spider and web tutorials via the links in the description, and diving into another Halloween-ready project, a crystal scorpion. Before we begin, the full list of materials will appear on screen. Feel free to pause the video to check everything carefully. If you'd like to use the same materials I'm using, I've put together a DIY kit for this project. You can find the link in the description below. Let's go. Step 1. Create the head and body core. Cut a 20 centimeter piece of black wire. String the beads in this order. 1 small metal flower cap. 1 by 12 millimeter rhinestone-studded round bead, main body. 1 small metal flower cap. One by 8 millimeter round bead, head. At the head end, use round nose pliers to curl the wire into a small loop to secure. Slightly curve the wire to give the scorpion body a natural arch. Step 2. Make the tail segment. Threading the tail from the base, connected to the body, to the tip. 4 by 6 millimeter round beads. 1 metal flower cap. 1 by 6 millimeter black round bead. 1 metal flower cap. 2 times 6 millimeter round beads. 1 rhinestone spacer bead. 1 by 6 millimeter transparent round bead. 9 by 4 millimeter cone beads. Two times 6 millimeter round beads. One by 8 millimeter oval bead. 1 cone-shaped bead. 1 by 4 millimeter cone bead, tail tip, tip, alternate flower caps and rhinestone beads for sparkle and a seamless gradient effect. Bend the tail upward in a scorpion-like curve. Leave just 2 centimeters of wire at the end. Curl it into a loop to secure and finish. Step 3. Assemble the legs and claws base. Cut a long wire, 60 centimeters. Snip a 15 centimeter piece from it. This will be used later for the claws. Take the remaining approximately 45 centimeters, fold it into 4 equal parts, 8 legs. Twist the midpoint 3 to 4 times to hold all leg wires together. Position the twisted part at the junction between the head and body bead. Wrap once tightly to anchor it. Use the longer tail of the wire to form 2 claws. Wrap the leftover wire again to further secure the leg section. Gently spread the 8 legs out evenly from both sides. Step 4. Make the claws, 2 front pincers. Take the saved 15 centimeter wire. Split into 2 equal pieces for each claw. For each claw, 3 times 4 millimeter round beads. Two times 6 millimeter round beads. 1 by 4 millimeter round bead. 1 by 8 mm oval bead, pincer tip, 1 by 4 mm round bead. Tip: add small rhinestone spacers between beads if desired. Trim excess wire and curl the end into a neat loop. Repeat for the second claw. Step 5. Make the legs, 8 in total. Each leg wire now needs beads to create texture and flexibility. Thread the following on each leg: 3 times 4 mm round beads, one X tube bead, one by 4 mm round bead, one X tube bead, two times 4 mm round beads. Use 1.5 mm crimp beads at the joints to mimic natural leg bending. Finish each leg by trimming the wire, leaving approximately 1 to 2 centimeters, and curling it into a loop for safety and polish. Bend each leg into a natural insect-like curve. Step 6. Final shaping. Adjust the legs for balance so the scorpion can stand or pose gracefully. Tilt the claws forward slightly for a dynamic, lifelike stance. Curve the tail in a strong upward sweep. This crystal scorpion is perfect as a Halloween home decoration or as a fun, eye-catching charm for your bag. You can also turn it into a sun catcher by adding a hanging chain or crystal strand. It'll sparkle beautifully in sunlight. Some tips for customization. Use gradient tones in the tail for a stunning ombre effect. Add metallic or AB, Aurora Borealis beads for extra shimmer. Vary leg bead shapes, e.g. faceted or twisted beads, for a unique look. Try different color schemes, red and gold for a fiery scorpion, or black and silver for elegance. Thanks so much for crafting with me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, feel free to leave a comment, share your creation, and subscribe to Crystal Flair for more magical and creative DIYs. You did an amazing job, and as always, keep shining.